So Saturn widget, how to install it? So yeah, basically if you just have Saturn app, just tap and hold, you will see apps jiggling, tap plus icon, and then you can just search for Saturn. So then maybe it's not available as a home screen. So let's check out if there is a lock screen widget. So just go to settings, go to wallpaper, and then tap customize, and then from here add widgets. And then from here, you can just search for Saturn, and then let's see if it's available here. So yep, there is lock screen widget. So there is class progress widget, show your class progress, upcoming classes, or show your next classes. So then you can just see something like that. Then you can just tap or drag. So you can have like big horizontal widget, or you can get upcoming classes widget. So that's what it is basically, and then you can just install it like that. So give it a try. So as you can see, there is lock screen widget from Saturn app. There is no home screen widget, but yeah, you can install it.